Hello, friend. Thank you for joining me for your breathwork exercise to gain clarity and focus. Find a comfortable seated position. Release your hands on your knees with the palms facing open. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel your sit bones grounded and a lift in the spine as you take a moment to center yourself. Beautiful. Take a full breath in and a cleansing breath out. On your next breath, take 2 big inhalations through the nose, form an O with your lips, and let out 1 long exhalation. So take 2 breaths in, purse the lips, exhale slowly out. Good. 2 inhalations, the body expands. Exhale through the lips. 2 breaths in. Exhale slowly out. Good. Keep breathing like this, bringing clarity and focus as we welcome fresh oxygen into the brain while slowly letting out old air and stagnant energy. Good. Last breath. And take 1 full inhalation. Let go of your breathing. Let it happen naturally. Loosen up the face muscles. Include a mini smile. The body and mind are fully immersed in a feeling of energized focus. Connect to it and bring this presence into everything you do today. Beautiful. Gently move the fingers. Rub the palms of your hands together, generating gratitude for taking the time to do something good for your well-being. Place the hands on your heart. Breathe in. Breathe out. Thank you for joining me. I wish you peace, love, and wisdom. Namaste. Hello, friends. I hope you feel energized and focused after this session. If you enjoyed, I would greatly appreciate it if you like and subscribe for more breathwork. Peace and love. Namaste.